Alright, today's first lesson for the week 7 is to use the repeat function to just simple draw a square. It's pretty simple, it doesn't take very long at all. The repeat function allows you to continue to repeat your code over and over again instead of typing it in line by line. So if we're drawing a square, the first thing we want to do is put the pin down for our robot. Alright, and then set your pin color. I'm going to use red. I don't care what color you draw in. Then from there, since we're doing a square, we're just going to use the repeat function right here. And a square has 4 sides, so we're going to repeat it 4 times. So change that to 4. We are going to drive forward. I'm going to change that to 600 just to get a little bigger square. And then we're going to turn right for 90 degrees. Alright, so it's very simple to watch your program. Go to the playground, and you can leave it on the grid map. I like to expand it to get a little bigger picture. Slide it over out of the way. When I hit play, pin's going to drop, and it's just going to continue to repeat these 2 codes and draw a square for me over here. If you have any questions, let me know.